Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok videos. So there are two ways that you can do to download a TikTok video. If you want to directly download it on the TikTok app, you can just find the video that you want to download and click on this share button, and there will be this option to save video. So click on that, and now TikTok will try to save the video. You can see this is the progress. You can just wait until it's done, but if you're using this way to download the video, there will be the watermark on the video that you downloaded like this. So let's find it on the gallery. Okay, this one right here, you can see there is this uh TikTok watermark of the username that I downloaded the video. But if you want to not have the watermark, what you need to do is just copy the link of the video, click on the share button, and find the copy link option, this one. Then open your browser, and then after that, here, just for example, TikTok, just type in TikTok video downloader. So there will be lots of options in here, and you can just click on one of this page, one of this address, and just paste the link and just download the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.